1, 2, 3.
Shawn and Jillian build. We build things that anyone can build.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like a pillow fort.
Shawn and Jillian build a pillow fort.
Yeah. That was really easy. Shawn and Jillian built that.
Do we have fun? And cut.
Cut.
Cut. Cut.
This is a cut.
You have a cut?